Everyone deserves great art. This is why we created Canvia, a smart digital display designed to make choosing, showing, and enjoying art as simple as opening an app. Sometimes the galleries and art world can seem stuffy and intimidating. The cost of buying art or even just framing prints can be very high, and even if you do find art that you like and is of good value, it might not match with your room's decor, and over time your tastes might change, which would leave it feeling out of place. Solving these problems was a key inspiration for Canvia, which uses cutting-edge hardware and proprietary image processing technology to present any digital image of artwork as a painting or high-quality print, and conserve original artwork details such as color, texture, contrast, and even individual brushstrokes. To make the display look as realistic as possible, whatever the environment, we realized we needed Canvia to capture ambient light reflections just like physical art. We therefore developed ArtSense technology, which actively responds to surrounding visual conditions and dynamically adjusts the display accordingly. With Canvia, seeing is believing.
Oh wow. Now that looks like a real painting.
That is crazy.
It almost seems like I can see the brushstrokes coming off the page.
And you can tell that this is an oil painting because it's got the textures that actually pop out from the painting itself.
The colors are so, vivid too, bright.
Wow, that one was amazing. This one right here with the waterfall, are you kidding me?
It looks like a real painting, yeah.
Via an intuitive app, users can select art from a massive online library organized into curated playlists of artists, eras, media, and even for specific moods and occasions. Our recommendation engine also suggests works based on a user's selections and current decor. Along with the classics of art history, we're also working with contemporary artists through our partnership program to foster a community of creators. It's important to us that artists are compensated for their time and talent, and so exhibiting partners will receive a share of our revenues. Users can also create personal playlists or upload their own images via an online portal, USB, microSD, or the app. Additional options to display information about works and even zoom into images to highlight key artistic details enables users to become their own curators. We now have near 100% pre-production prototypes and need your support to begin production. With Canvia, enjoying great art in your home, office, and other living spaces has never been simpler. Canvia. Experience art. Invoke curiosity.
What is pure luxury? Having everything you want when you want it. Introducing the Elements Blanket. Imagine being at one with the sea, at one with the earth, at one with yourself. A blanket crafted from revolutionary sustainable materials. The Elements Blanket is the only blanket that combines the caring benefits of sea cell with the energizing power of Celliant, blended together with the softest organic cotton. Sea cell is made from organic seaweed that is sustainably harvested from the shores of the Icelandic fjords. Seaweed contains many vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The sea cell fibers within the blanket contain antioxidants that help protect you from free radicals. Free radicals come from pollutants in the air, the food you eat, and the world around you, and can accelerate aging, skin damage, and other adverse biological effects. Antioxidants are shown to neutralize and reduce free radicals, helping protect your skin. Living well demands the ultimate in comfort. The innovative, FDA-determined Celliant technology supports your rest and recovery. Celliant's eco-friendly technology recycles your body's natural energy into infrared light that is then emitted back into your body's tissue, aiding recovery and increasing energy. Infrared light is a proven vasodilator, boosting localized blood flow and increasing the amount of oxygen reaching your muscles, helping to restore them faster, perfect after any activity. And when it's time for bed, not only do you experience enhanced comfort, but the blanket also promotes a more restful and efficient night's sleep. The purest elements of nature blended together to support your every need. This is the most powerful all-in-one wellness blanket, created from the elements, made by Yasa.